Now, I'm getting excited over this car because this is the new Land Rover Defender X Dynamic 250 diesel, but the new 3-litre engine, 250 brake horsepower, 90. So the shorter wheelbase, 5-seater, 2 in the front, 3 in the back. But it is beautiful. But the big thing, why this is going to sell today, £59,990, inclusive of VAT. So if you've got a business and you want to buy this car today, it's £59,990, including VAT. You can claim the VAT back. So the car's probably going to cost just over 50k plus the VAT. What a buy. You can't get these cars. They are so sought after and there's a delay. This car's a dynamic X, so it's got that meaty look. It's got a beautiful interior and just look at it. Look at the front. It's an SE as well, so it's got great spec inside. So it's a dynamic S SE. You've got the badging finished in a beautiful anthracite, if you like, grey. You've got this section built into the grille here, what looks superb. And this front section here, it goes all the way under. And that's contrasting to the 20-inch wheels. So you've got them sections there. You've got the decals, but then the wheels, which are 20s, are the same colour. So I think it works. Now, with this car being an X Dynamic, everything's colour-coded. So the arches here and the body styling's all colour-coded, where on the other models, this section here is all plastic. Again, the vents in black. You've got your mud flaps. You've got the black roof rails, privacy glass. It just looks superb, this car, but it's priced on the money to sell today. Again, full-size spare wheel. You've got the two-tone eye, and then even this back section here looks superb. The badging here where it says Defender. And this engine as well, the 250 horsepower is superb. It just, with it being the 3-litre, it just drives so smooth. There's a tow bar, again, massive optional extra, so expensive. Try and buy a new Defender and buy a tow bar for one from an independent company. You cannot get one. And with it being an SE, when we move on inside, you get all the other luxury bits as well. So before I start, it's keyless. Let's press that button and the car opens. There's a little, I've just spotted, you've got the little camera under there. This car's got full 360-degree 3D camera. Now then, with it being the X Dynamic, it's the detailing. So on here, if you see, it's all black all the way around the door cards and all the way around there. It's a sportier, enhanced interior. The steering wheel's different. It's more of a sportier feel when you get in the car. The car's done 12 miles. It's delivery miles. It's here. Just get it bought. Cold weather package. So you've got things like, great feature, I love it on my car, heated steering wheel, heated washer jets. Like I said, cameras wise, you've got your full 3D and off-road camera. You've also got another camera here. Again, extras, look at this. Full sliding pan roof. Beautiful inside, what a car. And then you got all your other features. So you've got your touch screen, up-to-date navigation with all your different functions and all your different options. Full digital display. And with it being a Meridian sound system, again, extra. Look at this. So if you want to get in the back, obviously, there's a button here. It's all electric. You just press it. That seat moves forward. And then you've got 3 really, look at the space in the back now. There's so much space. 3 big seats in the back. So it's a shorter wheelbase, but it's a real good size 5-seater. And you've still got boot space. What a car. This car, my number's on the bottom of the screen. Just call me direct. You don't even need to do your research. This car, I'm categorically telling you now, £59,990 is the #1 buy in the country. It's an X Dynamic, it's an SE, it's a 90. It's so sought after, it's done 12 miles. Come and pick it up this weekend, and I'll see you soon.